Welcome to the video lecture for the subject Apparel Designing. Let's see about wardrobe planning part 2. Last class we have learned about clothing for infants, newborns, toddlers and different age groups. Today let's learn about the wardrobe planning for adults. In this stage, a person is mature enough to select the clothes on the basic of income, status, occupation, climate, age, sex, etc. A well-dressed person feels more confident and more capable of himself. A man's wardrobe is completely different when compared to a woman's wardrobe. Man's wardrobe includes shirt, trousers, shorts, socks, shoes, nightwears, suits, etc. Whereas a woman's wardrobes depend on her family income, their social activities, her profession, and all other factors. These clothing depend according to the woman. If she is a working woman, she needs more clothes when compared to a housewife. Persons who are socially active needs more clothes for formal occasions, for kitty parties, clubs, marriages, etc. Socially active persons are fashionable and status conscious. Clothing for elderly. The bodily characteristics will be changing, so it is necessary to solve the problems of fit and select designs and colors according to the age group. The body not only gains in weight after the middle years, but the distribution of weight also shifts. There is a general sagging of body. These create problems in selection of ready-made garments as they are made based on standard measurements. It is usually found that most of these elderly people start wearing light colored clothes. Heavy clothes are also not comfortable and they require dresses made of light fabrics with enough warmth or coolness. Clothing for old age. Old age is the concluding phase of life. It brings its own problems. The body becomes stiff, the eyesight becomes weak, and the energy level is considerably reduced. The clothes they wear must be loose and comfortable rather than fashionable. Dressing and undressing takes more energy than anything. It is advisable for old age people to have clothes with front openings with large buttons so that it will be easy to use. In addition, many older people are affected with different kinds of diseases. They have joint pain and muscle pain. Rough textured and heavy fabrics may irritate their skin. Their clothing should be warmer in winter as well as it should be cooler in summer. As the old age people are less active physically, their clothes do not wear out rapidly. Let's see about the women's wardrobe. This is very much important as we choose lot of outfits and buy different kinds of dresses to add on to our wardrobe. Choose classic clothing. The bulk of your budget should be geared towards the classic items as well as the good quality that will last for a longer period rather than something trendy. Assess your budget from the outset and determine how much you can wear before going for shopping. Remember, a great wardrobe does not have to be huge, but it can be designed according to the trend. You can mix and match it easily by creating a lot of different looks which makes you look greater. Invest in quality. A wardrobe that works also contains items that serves you well for longer than just few months. Items that you can rely on are very important, therefore it should be helpful to shop for well-made pieces constructed with high quality materials. These forever pieces are the ones you want to spend more money on. So don't be afraid to shop with labels you might otherwise rule out. While buying the outfits, many of us are conscious about the brands. So we want to invest something on the brand which looks really great and shows that it's a branded item. Few outfits which are being designed by ourselves without a brand name looks greater. So start designing your outfits according to the design, color and trend which has been used, and you can invest on the quality of materials which you feel it's good. Considering color. This is an important factor while planning your wardrobe. It is useful to think about color. Most women don't want to be monochromatic, although it can look great and make shopping and even laundry a lot easier. However, when putting together the basics, it should be good to focus on simple color palette with items that work together. Invest in neutrals. Black is always a good choice, as brown, grey, navy and beige. Flattering color base. When choosing a color base, you want to focus on what practical colors looks best on you. Choose colors you love. If it turns out to look great in beige but you hate beige, then pick a color you love. Even if it's not your most perfect, much of your look is projected by how you feel. If you feel great and confident, that's how people will see you. What to shop for? While planning your wardrobe, you need to concentrate on your budget as well as the color. Have a look at your wardrobe palette, which colors are being used and which colors are missing, so you can plan accordingly. So while planning your wardrobe collection, select items which are not there in your wardrobe. And the basic items which should be there in your wardrobe are basic trousers. Although they can be of some of the hardest items to shop for, every woman should have a good pair of wool or rayon black trousers. They really go well with everything. Avoid a trendy cut. If you want to opt with these colors, you can go with pastel shades where you can wear darker color tops, or you can go with darker shades, as these trousers can be worn for a longer period of years. Dress suit. Most women also needs at least one good suit, either with a skirt or it can be with a trouser. A simple suit in a flattering cut can also be dressed up and down with a blouse or kind of accessory where you can mismatch it with a trouser, with a pant, with a denim or whatever it is. So the dress suit is more important in your wardrobe. Essential skirts. Unless you are absolutely not a person who likes to wear skirts, at least 2 or 3 plain skirts are to be added in your wardrobe in different lengths, which will be worn by you at times. Make at least one skirt of knee length style and the other according to other designs, which makes the work to play transition flawless and pairs well with anything. Combine your skirts with 2 or 3 pairs of trousers and tops. You won't have to do any more shopping for a year or more, because skirts comes in different color shades and they are different variations. We have mini skirts, we have umbrella skirts, we have maxi skirts, and the pattern, the design, everything changes according to the trend. You can add on to it along with a top, a jacket or a scarf which looks good and creates a new style to your wardrobe. White blouses. The skirts as well as the trousers suits a type of a white blouse with buttons, and the quality of garment should be really good. You will certainly buy tops and blouses of other colors, but this classic look will never go out of fashion as well as style, and it is a flattering one in everyone's eyes. It's available in number of styles, but the key is to find a tailored crisp cut that doesn't rear to the trendy side but looks like feminine. Sweaters. You should at least have 2 to 3 good sweater sets in your wardrobe. consisting of a shell and matching cardigan. A sweater set makes life especially easy when time is of the essence. You should choose a color in your base, and the other two sweaters can be of other different colors that makes you look greater. T-shirts. Believe it or not, T-shirts are very important in your wardrobe. They really work when that crisp white blouse doesn't, and they come in handy when you need something to slip under a sweater. Black, white and red shades are smarter choice, as there are more few tees which can be selected according to the season, and few may make you look the hottest. Jeans, which is nothing but our day to wear denims. Every woman should own at least a pair of denim that she feels great in. Opt for a pair with a little stretch for the most flattering fit. Dark washes look dressier than lighter ones. You can look more slimmer in your outfits. There are different kinds of shades available in your jeans. You have it from lighter shade to darker shades. So decide according to the choice which you opt for your wardrobe. Nowadays we have decorative denims which can be worn as a party wear too. Next one is the little black dress, which is in short known as LBD. Everyone needs to have at least one great evening dress. It doesn't have to be had little, but a black dress in a wardrobe essential that the dress fits your body perfectly. It should be slightly firm, fitted to the most polished finish with a slight A-line or bottom heavy shapes. This dress can be worn for anything from work functions to a formal wear or any other event. It can also be as for a casual wear. Accessories plays a major role while designing a wardrobe. Each accessories adds exciting flashes of colors that will peek through and add interest to your basic wardrobe. If you love pinks and reds, wear a colorful scarf against a simple sheath dress for the perfect pop of colors. There are few accessories that are to be added in your wardrobe. Pumps and flats. Your wardrobe will work whether you love to wear heels or not. If you can do anything, enjoy a little height, achieve it with a classic pump in a neutral color. If not, opt for a pair of stylish flats. Handbags. Handbags plays a major role in women's wardrobe, as they like to have different kinds of textures, colors, designs and everything plays according to their outfits. So handbags will bear your burden all day long. Make sure to choose something spacious enough to handle it. A handbag is definitely an investment piece to consider, one of a thick, sturdy leather. So your profession, your workplace and other things decides according to the way how you carry. If you are really a fashionable person, you can opt for branded bags. Next one is scarves. For a pop of color and an element of fun, add a few scarves to your closet. These can be worn with anything from a simple tee to a business suit. As we have seen all those things, you need to mix and match your outfits. Once you have done with your wardrobe essentials, start mixing and matching with your choice, where you will be getting different kinds of outfit designed by yourself. You really don't need to be a cloth horse to look like one. The basic idea is to develop a style that allows you to mix and match with ease and create fabulous outfits with very little effort. So hope you will start designing your wardrobe by mix and matching your accessories. Let's learn about these seasons in the upcoming PPT. Thank you.